Hi, everybody. Let's try this one more time because I think this is my third time trying to record this. So, we are unboxing the August Once Upon a Book Club book and all of its gifts inside. Uh, as you guys know, I try to at least read to the point of all the gifts so that way we can unbox it together and you can give yourselves a fair understanding of what comes in the box if you want to do the subscription. The subscription is monthly and you can pay 1 month for three, for six, or for an entire year. I did three. I'm going to take a break for 3 months because, as you guys know, I am putting in a patio and I got all four tires replaced, and this comes out of my pocket. So I am going to give myself a 3 month break financially so I can get a hold of all of that stuff. And also I have a trip to Vegas coming up. So it's a lot financially, but I do enjoy it. So let's get to the August book. The August books is What Remains by Wendy Walker. So to give you a synopsis of the book, I've read like 80% of the way through. There's a police officer, well, a detective named Elise. She walks into a big box store. All she wants to do is get her daughter some pink towels. She has two little girls. And while she's in there, a guy comes in with a, a weapon, we're going to say, because I don't want to get demonetized, a weapon. And he starts to fire his weapon. Uh, as Elise is talking to her partner on her Bluetooth headphone to kind of give him an update, she's also searching for the person and trying to help people get to safety. Once she sees the guy firing, she sees another man trying to run for a dressing room, and the assailant is pointing a gun at the man. Elise shoots the assailant before he can shoot the guy. So before the police can interview the guy she saved, he disappears and he goes away and no one can find him. And the only thing is that this guy starts to stalk her because he saved her life and he thinks she's so great, and so he starts to stalk her. And so she has to worry about finding more information about the person doing the firing. And after she took that guy out, she still has to do more information about who he was and what he was doing while she's being stalked by this other guy and figuring out who this guy is and why he's stalking her. Now, while you're reading this story, there's also another story that's going on. And you know when those stories are happening because they are titled in the book The Kill Room. And the kill room is pretty much this shack in the woods where hunters kind of like skin their game, or they kind of sit and wait for a game to come along and hunt them. So everybody knows this as the kill room. Well, they find a charred body inside and they're investigating this crime. And as you read through the story, you realize these two stories are connected, but you're not quite sure how. Right now, I'm on page, what, 180, 180, I'm sorry, 190. And it's just starting to come together how these two stories are connected. And I'm thoroughly entrenched in this book. The only thing that stopped me from reading is life. You know, the job. I'm trying to read a couple pages, and the job needs me to do stuff. Life. If you have kids, life sometimes happens. You're trying to read, and somebody tries to grab your attention. So let's get to the gifts. If you guys have never seen this advertised before, as you're reading through the book, you will get a page that says, "Open your gift." And that'll let you know that you have a gift. Now, every single gift has the page number on it. Now they highly encourage you to open your gifts as you're reading because it kind of connects you to the experience. So on page 4, Elisa's talking about how she's talking to her partner on her Bluetooth headphones as she's shopping through the store. So your first gift that comes in this box is wireless earbuds. And here is the wireless earbuds with a charging case. And let me tell y'all, I love this color. I'm not sure if it's a pink or purple, but I love this color. If you know what this color is, tell me because I want to get some eyeshadow this color or some lipstick this color because I think I can rock this color. Or at least a shirt this color. I love this color. And here are the earbuds inside. It comes with the cable and the other size earbuds in case your ears are a different shape. Now, just to guys let you guys know, the headphone charging time is about an hour. The headphone case charging time is about 2 hours, and the average play time is around 2.5 hours. So that kind of lets you know what these earbuds can do. So I actually like the earbuds. I don't wear earbuds because I get ear infections, but I'm not gonna lie, these are gonna go into somebody's stocking stuffer this year. But I love the fact that they gave you some earbuds. Now the next gift came with page 64. Now page 64, Elise is talking about how she's going through her home after she realized someone has been there, and she finds a gift from her stalker, and it is a scarf. So the scarf has like words from the book. It's important and it counts. Um, better than you, better than you were, better than you were yesterday, and stuff like that. That's all the stuff written on the inside. And then there's a cute little swirl on the other side of a woman reading a book. This is the first time I actually understood what the swirl was. Now that I'm seeing it on my screen, it is someone sitting down reading a book, and so that is your second gift. Your third gift is after her and her husband are having this argument, um, because her husband had an affair and she decided to stay with him, but her stalker found this out and is now using it against her, and so now her husband are having arguments, and she goes into her bathroom, her daughter's bathroom, and sees a pink towel on the floor. And so then your next gift that is in page 145 is this really cute pink towel. So I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see it. Hopefully I don't knock nothing down. And on to pink towels is just stacks of books, open books, some fringes. So this is like let you guys know I'm 5'5". So this is a good decent sized towel. And there you go. Gives you an idea how big this towel is. It's large. So that's the towels. That's the towel. I loved all of these gifts. As you guys know, I'm not really a pink girl, but this towel I actually like. It's comfortable. It's nice and soft. It's not thick. It's a thinner towel. If you can see, let me get you a better side. So it's not super thick, and I know what I'm going to use this for. If you ever seen my walkthrough of my house, I have a nice sized tub, and I have a separate shower. I have right now a mat that's in front of my shower, but I don't have one for my big tub. And the mat that's in front of my shower is really small compared to the size of my tub. So this is going to go in front of my big tub, and it's going to be huge and soft and comfortable. So far, what do I think of this book? I am loving this book. I love this book so much. It's such a great book. It is such an easy read, a great read. It's suspense happening at every moment. If you love shows like, I don't know, Castle, anything on Lifetime, just drama, stalkerish movies, this is your book. Now, I will say that whenever they put out a book, they give you trigger warnings. So they let you know that this talked about violence in a public area. They let you know it did talk about stalking. So they do let you know if these books are going to have triggers, so you can skip it and you don't have to worry about reading something that will make you uncomfortable. So keep that in mind when you pick up these books, so that they always email you or they always go. You can go to the website and see what the triggers are in the book. They try to be very thoughtful about that. So that was what remains and all the gifts that remains in the book. So I have the September box here. So let's go to the September box so I can show you guys what the book is. All right, so September box, woohoo! Oh, and I'll try to find something similar to the gifts below and link something close to them down below. I can barely find the right ones, but because I know some things are specially made for the book club, so I'll try to find something similar to it. We'll see. So the next book is Under the Tamarind Tree, the Tamarind. We're gonna go with Tamarind, the Tamarind Tree. I'm probably butchering that by Nagar Alarm. And it reads One Night, Four Friends, Countless Secrets. Ooh, that sounds very enticing. And as you guys know, it comes with a special bookmarker for you. Let's see how many gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts this time. So we have 4 gifts in this book, and it comes with a recipe for potato samosa. So that looks tasty. So next time I read this, I'm gonna give you guys a good look at this because I know it was shiny and stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a good look at this next month in October, and I'll let you guys know what this book was about and how good it was and if I loved it. I'm super excited. I'm trying to figure out. So page 274, page 297, page 115, and page 219. So we got to get 115 pages in before we get our first gift. So this got to be a page turner. It's got to be a page turner. We'll see. We'll see, you guys. So that was what remains. I will link things close enough to what you're seeing here. If you want to purchase them on your own, I'll also link the book. Please know I am an Amazon affiliate, which means that if you click on the link and then you purchase anything, I get money. If you click on my link and then you click somebody else's link, it wipes out my link. So, but I have to say that because of the FCC. You have to tell somebody when you're an affiliate. So there we go. Here we have What Remains by Wendy Walker. So let me know, you guys. Did you get this box? What did you think of this book? Is this your type of read? Let me know everything you think below, because your girl's looking into this. I want to know what you guys think. Y'all twisted in the mind like me and like really messed up books? Let me know. All right. As always, in life, there's black and white, but this girl right here, right now, you are getting one shade of gray. Love you guys. Bye.